A federal appeals court ruled a Texas law that would allow law enforcement to arrest people illegally crossing into the United States will stay on hold at least until next week.
And this comes as shelters in border towns are reaching a tipping point for housing these migrants. Fox's Bowen Kedrowicz is in El Paso. And Bowen, what are some shelters seeing?
Anthony Rashi, well, one shelter director here tells me that in the past several days, he has noticed a spike in migrants coming to his shelter. He says this could potentially be a sign of another mass migrant wave to come to the city.
The numbers in custody that were reported to me this morning was slightly over 2,500. Where we get concerned is when that number starts approaching 3,500 or exceeding that, which is representative of their capacity, and because you'll see additional releases at that point. And the number of encounters has increased as well.
Martin says the shelter takes on local homeless and migrants. One group at the shelter are 4 migrants from Guatemala that were picked up by Border Patrol Saturday. One tells me they traveled a month to get to the United States, and they plan to go to Los Angeles to find work.
Because it's the famous American dream, everyone wants to come to this country to be able to support themselves and their family back home. They can't do that without a job in the U.S.
Now, earlier this week, the city of El Paso extended an emergency ordinance to support shelters here by 30 days. Now, Texas Governor Greg Abbott also sent 200 soldiers to the border here. In El Paso, Texas, Bowen Kedrowicz, Fox 26 News.
All right, Bowen, thank you so much.